The 3D canvas is great for visualizing and correcting collisions in your designs. Placing and moving components in the 3D canvas is easy as well. It's not that different from working in the 2D canvas. Click the 3D button in the toolbar to open a new 3D canvas. You can still see the 2D canvas at the same time, or go full screen in 3D. All of the planes to your right have similar functions and look to the 2D workspace. Mouse and component coordinates are shown just like in 2D, but with the Z-axis coordinates too. The mouse controls work the same, and the menus are consistent between 2D and 3D canvases, making it easy to go back and forth between the two as needed. Here, we see a collision. It's easy to fix it. Just move the component and the error is resolved. Any movement or placement done in 3D is reflected in 2D and vice versa. The consistent features between the 2D and 3D canvases help make designing easier.